How does Python 3.10 match compares 1 and true? PEP 622, literal pattern says the following. Note that because equality, ___EQ__, is used, and the equivalency between booleans and the integers 0 and 1, there is no practical difference between the following two. And true .__EQ__1 and 1.__EQ__, true, both returns true, but when I run these two code snippets with Python, it seems like case true and case 1 are not same. How are 1 and true actually compared?
Looking at the pattern matching specification, this falls under a literal pattern. A literal pattern succeeds if the subject value compares equal to the value expressed by the literal, using the following comparisons rules. Numbers and strings are compared using the equals operator. The singleton literals none, true and false are compared using the is operator. So when the pattern is, it uses is, and 1 is true is false. On the other hand, uses equals, and 1 equals true is true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.